Okay, welcome back to my channel, Cook Like a Pro, Chef David. Today we are going to do our buffalo chicken sandwich. This is one that we have at the restaurant. We sell a lot. So, broiler, barbecue pit at home. We have our marinated chicken, okay? Look at that. All beautiful herbs and spices. So when you marinate it, especially when you see that oil, you want to be careful, okay? You make sure you wipe it off because it'll catch on fire. So we're going to throw that down, and it'll take about 7 to 8 minutes to 165. So we have a piece of chicken here already. Look at that beautiful char. So we're going to put that sucker in there. Get a nice digital thermometer that reads fast. See how it's climbing up? Get that off there. Right now, see we're at 162, 163, which is good. That's what we want because I'm about to take this and we're gonna finish it. So what we do is we stick it on a tray, walk this way, and on our buffalo chicken, our beautiful buffalo sauce, we make in-house. And then check this out. This is new. Castello burger blue cheese. Look at that. I've never used it. Normally we use the crumbles, and crumbles, they really don't melt. Blue cheese is hard to melt. So, you know, sometimes you gotta be careful because if you use real blue cheese, it'll overcook the chicken. Let's try this out. So, getting close here. It's probably gonna be a little fragile, but look at that, nice sliced. This is the first. Nothing gets me excited too much, so we're gonna put that on there. See how it fell apart? Let's do 2, right? You guys like blue cheese? There we go. How nice is that? Okay, Castello blue cheese. All right, so what we do is you can put this in your oven, but we have a salamander. That salamander, so that's melting. I'm gonna get my brioche bun. You wanna get the one where you have to cut it, okay? It stays fresher. So, in your pan, a little bit of butter. Okay, so when you put it down here, make sure you press it down. You need to press it down to get even. See that? So that's going to take a second. So we are going to get our setup. So on all of my burgers, it's LTO. Lettuce, red onion. I prefer red onion. It's a little bit sweeter. And then tomato. Okay? So make sure when you do it's level and even, right? You're building the foundation, but make sure you season it, okay? Always season your produce, okay? That's important, right? Think about it. Tomatoes, water. Lettuce is water. Onion, good flavor, but you need that salt, okay? I even salt your salad. If you make a salad, salt and pepper it. We use a beautiful Montreal steak seasoning. To me, it's the best blend out there, but you use what you want to use. Okay, let's go back here. There we go. See how I toasted it even? I take this serious for you guys. That is a beautifully toasted piece of bread, right? All the way across. That's why you press it down. So, we're gonna do this. Now, ranch dressing. Woo! Are we kidding? Let's go up here. Where are we at with this? Where's that blue cheese at? Oh, look at that cheese. Woo! Oh, let me get my tongue. Stay there, stay there. Oh my goodness. Look at that cheese. Look at that. Oh. Oh, holy cow. That is a beautiful thing. So, oh, my bad. Lettuce, tomato first. Chicken, okay? Oh gosh, look at that. How nice is that? Does that look good? So I'm going to put it on there. Normally we don't cut it, but I'm gonna cut it for you guys. How's that look? Oh, there we go. Nice sharp knife. Oh, man. Okay, would you eat that? This is Chef David. Like, subscribe, pound, punch, kick, scream, hit that notification button so you don't miss me. If you miss me, it's your fault. See you.